In this video, we will learn how to use the clone step tool within multiple tabs. So generally, what we do when we use the clone step tool, we select the clone step tool. The keyboard shortcut is S. Create a new layer so that we do not destroy the original photo. Hold Alt or Option, Alt for Windows and Option for Mac, and left click to take a sample, and paint by clicking and holding the left mouse button. But we can use this in 2 or more different tabs. Let's first delete this layer, we don't need it. Okay, first we need to see what we are doing. We need to see both the tabs at the same time. Go to Window, Arrange and to up vertical. Now we can see both the tabs at the same time. It will be much easier to clone it now. So we'll copy the cat to the dog photo. I also named them Image 1 and Image 2 for our convenience. Like before, let's create a new layer. Let's open the clone source panel. We can find it in Window and Clone Source. We'll be needing this later. I will place it here so that we can see the photo properly. Okay, now first select Image 1, which is the cat photo, and hold Alt or Option and click to take a sample. Now select Image 2 and left mouse click to clone it. It's a little too big. We can make it smaller from the Clone Source panel. You can change the width and height from here. At the top of the Clone Source panel, you will see these icons. So we'll do this too. Right now you see the Image 1 is selected because we are taking the sample from Image 1. We can add multiple photos in these icons. To show you this, we need to bring one more photo. Let's bring this little dog photo and place it here. Now we need one more tab as well. So go to Window, Arrange and 3 up vertical. We can also arrange them according to their name. Drag Image 3 and when you see this line here, we can release the mouse button. Okay, now let's create a new layer in Image 3. So like before, we can clone it from another tab. Hold Alt or Option and left click to take a sample. Go to Image 3 and Paint. Now let's select multiple images. Right now in the first icon, the Image 1 is selected. Click the second icon. Then take a sample from the Image 2 by holding Alt or Option and left clicking. You will see the Image 2 is added here. We can now clone Image 2 here. Now both Image 1 and Image 2 are added. That means we can change the clone source by clicking these icons. We don't need to go to the different tabs to change the clone source. I'm not sure how useful this is, but we have this option and it's kinda cool, right? In this way you can add multiple clone sources in those icons. So this is how you can add multiple clone sources from different tabs. Hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.